the juxtaposition of incongruity, some deep abstract linguistic concept that has been psychologically and sociologically misconstrued interpersonally in all different forms of culture, like why is irony, like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have much time to get into all these different branches in terms of how it relates to manic episodes. But let's go into one of my favorite areas I call parapsychology, the parapsychological aspect of manic episode, where you get into areas like psychokinesis, telekinesis, which is synonymous, which is the ability to move objects. Then we have telepathy, which is the ability to read mind. Then you have precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, and retrocognition.